In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an embedded PDF from any website. Sometimes you're browsing a site and you find a PDF that's really useful, but instead of a clear download button, it's just embedded in the page. Maybe it's a form, a manual, a research paper, or a course handout. It sits inside a little viewer. You can scroll through it, but there's no obvious way to save it. That's exactly what we're going to fix today. First, open the web page that contains the embedded PDF. Give it a moment to fully load, and make sure you can actually see the PDF viewer on the page. If the PDF is spread across multiple pages inside that viewer, scroll a bit to confirm it's really loaded and not just a placeholder image. Next, we're going to open your browser's developer tools. This sounds more technical than it is. On most browsers, you can right-click anywhere on the page and choose the option that says something like Inspect or Inspect Element. That will open a panel, usually docked to the side or bottom of your browser window, showing the page's underlying code. Inside that panel, look for a tab labeled Elements or Inspector. This shows the structure of the web page. Move your mouse over different lines of code there, and you'll see sections of the page highlight as you hover. We're trying to find the specific section that contains the embedded PDF. One of the easiest ways to do this is to right-click directly on the PDF viewer itself and choose Inspect from that context menu. The developer tools will jump right to the part of the code that corresponds to that area. You're looking for a tag that references a PDF file, often something like an object, embed, iframe, or a link that ends in PDF. When you find a URL that clearly points to a PDF file, double-check that it looks complete. Sometimes it will start with HTTPS and end in .pdf. Once you've located it, right-click that link or address and choose Open in New tab. Your browser will open the PDF directly in a separate tab, outside of the embedded viewer. From here, downloading is straightforward. At the top of the PDF viewer in this new tab, you should see the standard PDF controls, including a download icon. Click that, choose where you want to save the file on your computer, and you're done. That's all you need to download an embedded PDF from almost any website using just your browser.